Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, the theme was technically to do anything that we want as long as we have at least one stamped nail. And I think this was a great idea, even though whenever somebody says that we can do any theme, I do have difficulty to kind of decide what designs I want to use from some plates that I either haven't used in a while or I have out, and I could kind of reuse them for other manicures. So today I will be using this You Are Beautiful plate, and I think I will go with the geometric designs on it. I do hope that you will enjoy this nail art tutorial, and if you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you are new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. And if you like what you see here, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I also received this polish from Moonshine Many as PR, so I will be using it as my base. These polishes from Moonshine Many have released back in December, but thanks to USPS sending me everything late, I am a little late on my swatches as well. I hope you will enjoy it, and if you do have any additional questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. I will also link for you everything that I can in the description box, including the links to the other videos that were created for today's collab, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures, so definitely stay tuned till the very end. Alright, I will cut it off right here. Thank you so much guys for all your support. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back for with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.